Brothers love. In a hospital, there was a little girl suffering from a rare and serious disease. She had a younger brother who was only 5 years old. The boy himself had once suffered from the same illness but had miraculously survived. His body had developed antibodies to fight the disease. Doctors discovered that the girl's only chance of recovery was a blood transfusion from her 5-year-old brother. They knew the process would take time and that the boy would have to go through medical procedures, so they decided to ask him first and make him feel comfortable. A doctor gently asked the little boy, "If you give your blood to your sister, she will become healthy again. Are you willing to give your blood to her?" The boy hesitated for a moment, then said, "Yes, I will do it, if it will save her." When the transfusion began, the boy lay beside his sister's bed, smiling. But slowly, his smile faded. He looked up at the doctor with trembling voice and asked, "Will I die right away?" The boy had misunderstood. He thought giving blood meant giving all of his blood, and that he would die so his sister could live. The doctor was deeply moved by the child's innocence and thought, this little boy truly believed he had to give up his life for his sister, and yet he agreed without hesitation. The doctor then comforted the boy and explained that he would not die, only some of his blood was needed to save his sister.